Hey everyone, it's Mark here, bringing you the ultimate earthquake preparedness guide. Whether you live in an earthquake-prone area or just want to be ready for any situation, this guide will help you stay safe and prepared. Let's dive right in and make sure you're equipped to handle one of nature's most unpredictable challenges. Earthquakes can strike without warning, so being prepared is essential for your safety and peace of mind. First things first, let's talk about understanding the risks. Knowing the seismic activity in your area is the foundation of your preparedness plan. Do you know the seismic activity in your area? It's crucial to research historical data and the likelihood of future earthquakes. This information can help you understand the potential severity and frequency of earthquakes in your region. This will help you tailor your preparedness plan and really pinpoint what you need to focus on. For instance, if you live near a fault line, your preparations might be more extensive than someone in a lower risk area. Speaking of preparedness plans, having one is a game changer. A well thought out plan can make all the difference during an emergency. Start with a solid family communication plan. Make sure everyone knows how to get in touch with each other during and after an earthquake. Where will you all meet if you get separated? Designate a safe meeting spot outside your home and another one outside your neighborhood in case the first location is not accessible. Do you know how to send and receive emergency alerts? Familiarize yourself with local emergency alert systems and make sure your phone is set up to receive notifications. Next, compile a list of emergency contacts including local services and hospitals, and practice safe evacuation routes from your home and workplace. Preparation is key. Regular drills can help ensure everyone knows what to do when an earthquake strikes. Now, let's secure your home to minimize risks. Earthquakes can cause significant damage to your property, but taking some preventive measures can reduce the impact. Anchor heavy furniture, install safety latches on cabinets, and secure your water heaters and gas appliances. These steps can prevent injuries and reduce damage to your home. For those in older homes, consider getting a professional to retrofit your home to modern earthquake-resistant standards. This can be a worthwhile investment to protect your property and loved ones. No preparedness plan is complete without an emergency kit. This kit should contain all the essentials you might need during and after an earthquake. Stock up on water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, flashlights, batteries, a portable radio, and essential tools. These items can sustain you and your family until help arrives. Don't forget personal items like clothing, blankets, and important documents in a waterproof container. Having these items ready can make a big difference in your comfort and safety. During an earthquake, remember these three actions: drop, cover, and hold on. This simple yet effective technique can protect you from falling debris and other hazards. Stay indoors away from windows and exterior walls. Find a sturdy piece of furniture to take cover under and hold on until the shaking stops. And if you're outside, find a clear open area away from potential hazards like buildings, trees, and power lines. After the shaking stops, the next steps are crucial. Your immediate actions can help ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. Check for injuries, inspect your home for damage, and stay updated through emergency broadcasts. Information is key during the aftermath of an earthquake. Remember, aftershocks are a real possibility, so stay prepared and vigilant. These smaller quakes can cause additional damage and pose further risks. Earthquake preparedness isn't just a one-time checklist, it's about staying informed and ready. Regularly review and update your plan to ensure it remains effective. Keep your supplies and plan updated, and remember, knowledge is as crucial as the supplies you gather. Stay educated about the latest safety tips and recommendations. For more tips and detailed preparedness training, make sure to visit and subscribe to preparemagazine.com. They offer a wealth of resources to help you stay safe. Stay safe and prepared. Thanks for watching. Remember, being prepared can make all the difference when an earthquake strikes. Take care.